this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to share Game Pass with another account on your Xbox One, or maybe someone else who's your friend or a family member. And this is very easy to do. Now on the home screen here, let's go up to the top, and then go to General, and go to Personalization. Then go to My Home Xbox, and select this. Now you'll want to sign in to the account you buy your games on, and then the account you have Game Pass on. And all other accounts that your Xbox is set to home to will now share Game Pass. So make sure this box is checkmarked, make this My Home Xbox, and this says, what is Home Xbox? When this is your Home Xbox, people can play your downloaded games without you signing in. Plus, if you have Xbox Game Pass, your whole household gets to enjoy it on this Xbox One. We recommend setting this on the Xbox you use the most. You can have one home Xbox at a time, and you can switch it up to 5 times a year. So you can see how many times you have left to switch it in the upper left right here. So you can easily share Game Pass with all the other accounts on your Xbox you set this to home to. So what you could do is set this Xbox as home, and then if you have another Xbox, you can sign in with your main account. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.